In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar view in Monday.com. To get started, log into your Monday.com account and head into your workspace. Once you're in, open the board you want to display as a calendar. This is important because the calendar view is created from the items already inside a specific board. Before you add the view, make sure your board includes a date column. The calendar relies on date-based information, so without a date column, Monday.com won't know where to place your items on the calendar. If the column is already there, you're ready to move on. If not, make sure your board has one in place before continuing. Next, add dates to the items you want to display on the calendar. Only items with assigned dates will appear. So this step helps make sure your calendar view is actually useful once it's created. It's a good idea to quickly scan your board and confirm that the key tasks, events, or deadlines have dates assigned. Now go to the top of the board and click the plus button next to your existing board views. This is where you can add a new way to visualize the same board data. From the list of available views, choose Calendar. If prompted, enter a name for your new calendar view. You can keep it simple and descriptive so it's easy to recognize later, especially if your board uses multiple views for different purposes. After that, select the date column the calendar should use. This tells Monday.com which dates to pull from when placing items into the calendar layout. Once you've chosen the correct column, save the calendar view settings to finish the setup. At this point, review the calendar and make sure your items appear on their assigned dates. This is a good moment to verify that everything looks correct and that no dates were missed or entered incorrectly. If you want to inspect an item more closely, click on any calendar item to view its details. This can help you quickly check information without having to go back and forth between the calendar and the main board. You can also move between months or weeks using the calendar controls, which makes it easier to plan ahead or review upcoming work in different timeframes. Going forward, continue updating item dates in your board to keep the calendar current. Since the calendar view reflects your board data, keeping those dates accurate will make the view much more effective for planning and tracking. Thanks for watching.